Hello you beautiful peeps, my name's John, welcome to my channel. This is the Arrma Felony 6S. And finally we have some good weather to get it out and test it today. I've already done an unboxing video with some specs, so go and watch that one to get some more information. But we want to get on and record this one as soon as we can because some bad weather's predicted. So the first question we're going to be answering is, can it run off two WL Toys batteries? Let's find out. So as you can see here, we have the two 2200 milliamp hour 2S batteries. And when we connect them, we should therefore have the 4S that's required. So we will turn the controller on. And as you can see, it is on. Please do not blow up. First battery in. Second battery in. Everybody ready? Big bang. No. There we go. Let's see what it runs like, shall we? I do have 3S batteries, two of them, so we are going to try it on the 6S as well. Well, it certainly works. Let's put the two 3S batteries in, I think. Don't you reckon? So, ladies and gents, 5000 milliamp hour, 11.1 volt, 35C rechargeable on both sides. They're from the ZD Racing EX-0. 7. So, please no bang bang. Alright, we have power. We have power. Sorry, Colin. I'm trying to get a good shot and I'm just jumping in front of you. How unprofessional of me. It's very important. At the bottom here, there's two pins that these plastic things go in. You have to make sure you get them in there on both sides. So, any faster, do you reckon?
Yeah.
What is that sound? I love it. I love it. I truly do. I don't know what that sound is when I'm braking. You think it's the shell that's rubbing? Okay. Okay. Well, we're obviously going to have to look at that. I think what I'm going to have to ask my lovely wife and Colin to do is to go either side to make sure that we can have a proper speed run. So let's get that set up now. This is so cool! That is not my driving skill, ladies and gents. That is all this car. 100% better than the ZD Racing EX07. No, I didn't say that. I take it back. I'm going to put them up against each other and we'll truly test them. But oh my God, the control that you have with this car. I love it! I nearly hit myself. I couldn't see it, it's behind me. Oh well. Well, ladies and gents, what do you think of that? I love it. I absolutely, truly love it. A couple of issues that we've had. The first one was me driving right into the curb here. Probably didn't do it very much good, but I've had a look and it's all healthy. There's no cracks, no bashes at all. Now, obviously, there are a few scratches, just one or two. But if you see here, that's what was making the noise. Colin got it right, that these screws are scraping along the ground when the front dips down under braking. Concerning the actual car itself, it's very fast. You saw that, and that's not with the high-speed pinion. We'll do the high-speed pinion up at the speed run area at Tarley, but the car has run flawlessly. There's been absolutely no problems with it, and the actual control that we've got with this car is just mind-blowing. I love it. One thing that I do have to say is everything that you've just witnessed on this film has been done with the same 3S batteries. They've not been changed, they've not been recharged, and I believe that it's still got some power in it. So we're going to try and do some burnouts now. If you don't see any burnouts in the video before this point, then we didn't manage it or the batteries ran out. Right now, it is my favorite car, without a shadow of doubt, and by quite a long way. Parts for this car are not cheap. That's the one reason why I haven't bought a more expensive car before, because obviously if I damage it, then the parts are going to cost so much more. But, you know, what's going to break on it, let's be honest. If it can handle being whacked up against the curb in reverse without any damage, then, you know, it should be all right. I 100%, without a shadow of a doubt, can recommend that you pick up one of these cars. I'll have some links in the description below, so please use those. You pay no more, but I get a little bit of commission, which is very helpful to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I'll catch you next time. Take care, stay safe. Bye-bye.